Good morning, students. Welcome to Kendriya Vidyalaya Bargad e-learning lesson capsule for the session 2020-21. I am Subrat Pradhan, primary teacher, going to teach you mathematics, the third chapter, a trip to Bhopal. In this capsule, you will find two parts. One is the video, and another is in the form of notes. So all of you are requested to go through the material and be prepared for the homework next to come. So students, last class we are going through the chapter A Trip to Bhopal. The students were on a trip to Bhopal and now they have reached to a lake. And in the lake, obviously they will be interested for boating. So students, now there are different types of boats. We will see here. So different there are different kinds of boats. Each has a different ticket price and also different trip time. सबके अलग अलग टिकट प्राइस है एंड डिफरेंट ट्रिप टाइम ऑल्सो अलग अलग टाइम भी प्रोवाइड करेंगे. Here are the boats. Double decker, the ticket price is ₹30 and the trip time is 45 minutes, like that. Paddle boat, motor boat and boat with oars. So now the students got confused in which boat we can go. So now they are confused. They are deciding now which boat should they take. Come to the next slide. Here are some questions. In the question, you will see the first question. Indra and Bhanu first went in the motor boat and then took the oar boat. You got it? Indra and Bhanu first went in the motor boat, then took the oar boat. Motor boat means the third one, and boat with oars means the fourth one. So first question is, how much did they pay for both the boats? You tell me. The cost of motor boat for one trip is 25 rupees, and the cost of the price of boat with oars is 15 rupees per ticket. So the total price for both the boats will be rupees 25 plus rupees 15 equals to rupees 40. Another question is there in the same number. How much time did they get for both rides? How much time did they get for both the rides? You see, in the motor boat it is providing 25 minutes, and in the boat with oars it is providing 45 minutes. So the total time will be 20 minutes plus 45 minutes equal to 65. This is the answer, 65 minutes. Next, the number 2 question number 2. One group of children went for the double decker trip. See the first one, double decker. So they paid rupees 450 in total. They paid rupees 450 in total. How many children went for the double decker trip? The question is, कितने बच्चे डबल डेकर ट्रिप में गए थे? टोटल पैसे कितने दिए? 450. एंड क्वेश्चन है कि कितने बच्चे गए थे. यू सी द प्राइस इज फॉर द डबल डेकर. वन टिकट प्राइस इज ₹30. तो 450 रुपीज़ में कितने बच्चे जा पाएंगे? व्हाट टू डू? You tell me first. If one ticket, the cost of one ticket is provided, and if it is asking for 2 or 3 tickets, what will you do? You will multiply. But here it is the opposite. Here it is given the total price for some tickets, and the total price is 450, and the cost of one ticket is ₹30. So what will you do? We will divide. So we will divide 450 divided by 30 करेंगे हम, then we will find the number of students. So the answer will be 15. You can divide it. 450 divided by 30. You got it? Question number 3. Question number 3 now. Which boat makes two trips in 1 hour? You find out. You see, here is the table. Which boat, sorry, here is the slide. Which boat provide make 2 trips in 1 hour? Here are the trips. You see, look at carefully. Which boat? So we have to see. 1 घंटे में 2 hour 2 trips, मतलब 1 trip is 30 minutes obviously, क्योंकि 30 plus 30 60 minutes, it is 1 hour. So कौन सा बोट है देखो, that which provide 30 minutes? It is paddle boat number 2. So the answer will be paddle boat. Now question number 4. Which boat takes less than half an hour to complete a trip? कौन सा बोट है which take less than half an hour? You see, the first boat is taking 45 minutes, next is 30, then 20, then 45. So obviously it is the third one, that is motor boat. So the answer will be motor boat. It will which take less than 30 minutes. means 20 minutes. That is 20 minutes. Answer is question number 5. Which boat gives them the most time taking the least money? You tell me which boat gives them the most time taking the least money. सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम देता है कम पैसे लेकर. यू सी सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम मतलब कौन कौन सा बताओ. द फर्स्ट वन इज 45 and one more is that question number 4, that is also 45. But you see which boat is taking less money. Double decker is taking rupees 30 per ticket, but boat with oars is taking rupees 15. So obviously this one is rupees 15 wala. So boat with oars is taking giving more time, taking least money. The answer will be boat with oars. Last question, question number 6. Javed went twice for boating. वो 2 बार गया. He paid a total of rupees 40. You got it? And boated for 50 minutes. Which 2 boats did he take? Tell me. जावेद क्या किया? वो 2 बार गया, 2 times गया, and he paid total 40 rupees. 40 rupees पे किया है, and he boated for 50 minutes. 2 boat में. So you find out which 2 boats together make 50 minutes. Here you see, you can see first one is 45. So second and third you see. Second pedal boat is providing 30 minutes and third is providing 20 minutes. So it is making 30 plus 20, 50 minutes. You will check the price also. The price is 15 and 25. It is making 20 plus 10, 30 plus 5, 40. So total price is 40. So yes, it is the answer. So pedal boat and motor boat will be the answer. The answer will be pedal boat and motor boat. I hope students you have understood this topic. I have given the notes. First you watch the video properly, then you can write the from the notes. Thank you.